This is the AI Newsflash for April 20th, 9 a.m. UTC. First up, NVIDIA kicks off Hannover Messe 2026 today in Germany, running through April 24th, showcasing AI-driven manufacturing at massive scale. The partner lineup is staggering. Deutsche Telekom, Dell, IBM, Lenovo, and PNY on infrastructure. Siemens, SAP, Cadence Dassault Systems, and Synopsys on engineering. AB Kongsberg Digital, Microsoft, and Wandelbots on factory operations. Humanoid, Schunk, Hexagon Robotics, and QNX on robotics. Core tech includes a sovereign German industrial AI cloud, Omniverse, and OpenUSD for digital twins, and Isaac Sim and Lab robot training frameworks that compress development from 2 years to 7 months. Jetson Thor and IGX Thor provide safety-certified edge AI compute. Construction equipment maker Terex expects a 3% yield increase and 10% rework reduction using factory playback technology. Physical AI is delivering concrete numbers on the factory floor. Second, Rice University professor Han Xiao's team developed Sequence Display, a method generating over 10 million protein activity data points in a single 3-day experiment. First author is graduate student Linky Cheng with collaborators from Johns Hopkins University and Microsoft, published today in Nature Biotechnology. The method combines activity-based barcoding with next-generation sequencing, attaching DNA barcodes to protein variants where editors modify barcodes proportional to activity levels. The team expanded DNA cutting capabilities of a small CRISPR-Cas9 protein and verified the approach with aminoacyl tRNA synthetases and cytosine deaminase. As Cheng put it, AI does not replace the experiment. The experiment drives AI. This solves the long-standing bottleneck of insufficient training data for protein engineering AI models, accelerating drug discovery and synthetic biology. Third, Visa today unveiled a major strategy to rewire bank infrastructure for the AI era, with Brazil's Pismo selected as the central partner. Kathleen Pierce-Gilmore, Senior Vice President and Global Head of Issuing Solutions at Visa, said legacy bank systems create data prisons that fragment information across platforms, blocking the real-time access AI, personalization, and compliance monitoring require. Pismo's real-time event streaming and flexible issuing enable incremental modernization instead of full replacement, delivering immediate credit limit updates, personalized offers, auditable data flows, and modular configuration. Pierce-Gilmore emphasized clients want outcomes, not features, and warned that without well-governed data, AI simply cannot work. A litmus test for financial infrastructure overhaul. Fourth, Africa has over 2,000 languages, but AI content moderation systems handle fewer than 20, rendering roughly 98% of African languages invisible to automated moderation. Only 42 African languages appear meaningfully across reviewed systems, with just 4 Amharic, Swahili, Afrikaans, and Malagasy processed consistently. TikTok removed 45,000 videos from Kenya in Q1 2025 and 520,000 by Q2, most attributed to automated systems. Creator Pauline Onyango found her Luo language posts received almost zero algorithmic visibility. Jackson Busolo's Swahili TikTok account was deleted without explanation. When systems cannot process a language, they fall back on indirect signals like user reports and visual cues.
The African LP workshop series, Cohere's partnership with Hausen LP on the AYA model, and the African Union's Continental AI strategy are responding. The EU AI Act and Digital Services Act now require non-discriminatory training data and decision transparency, creating regulatory pressure on platforms.
That's all for this AI Newsflash.